Welcome to this quick guide on adding code snippets in WordPress using the 2025 interface. In this walkthrough, every step has been carefully explained to help you navigate the process with ease. Let us begin by opening your web browser and heading to the WordPress homepage. Once you land on the main page, take a moment to locate the login option, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing your website and beginning your editing process. After you click on the login button, you will be prompted to sign in. The preferred method in this guide is to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on the Continue with Google option and then choose which account you wish to use for logging in. This method streamlines the process as it leverages your existing credentials and saves you the trouble of remembering an additional password. Once you have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard, you will be presented with a variety of links and options. Look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Within this section, you should see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this will take you directly into the site editor where you can modify your website as needed. Inside the editor, if you have more than one website associated with your account, you will need to select the website you want to work on. Simply click on the website you intend to modify and you will be taken into the editing interface. It is from this interface that you can make all the necessary changes to your website layout and content. With your website open in the site editor, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you will find a plus icon that is used to add new elements to your page. Clicking this icon opens a panel of options where you can search for the functionalities you need. In this case, you will be looking to add custom code to your site. After clicking on the plus icon, you should see a search field that allows you to type in the element you are looking for. Type in the word code. As you type, the interface will update to show any matching components that can be inserted. When the code option appears, it indicates that WordPress has recognized your need to add a snippet of your own code. Once the code element is visible in the list, select it by clicking directly on the word code. This action opens a new editing box where you are now prepared to add your custom code. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, providing you with a blank area to input your script or snippet exactly as you need. At this point, take your prepared code snippet and carefully paste or type it into the editing area. This is your opportunity to integrate custom features or adjustments to your website. As you enter your code, be attentive to any syntax that may require adjustment or additional formatting for it to work properly within your site structure. Once you have added your code, check for any errors using WordPress's integrated tools, ensuring your website functions smoothly. This concludes the process outlined in our 5-minute guide. You have now successfully logged in, navigated to your website editor, and added your custom code snippet using the straightforward WordPress 2025 editor. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities and customization that this feature provides for your website.